Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to download the TutuApp VIP on your phone, guys. This is super insane, but it actually works, so definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and come to Google and just type in right here. Let me just do it right here. So anyways, guys, once you're on this page, you just want to go ahead and put in TutuApp. And as you can see right here, it says it VIP. You just press download, you got it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and try this out for yourself. Get the word out because it actually works. And this is just insane that we're actually able to go ahead and get this on our device. It is so insane, guys. I love it. And I don't know who's out there. They're not using the TutuApp VIP. They're using like the basic TutuApp. You do not want that. You want the TutuApp VIP, guys. So get the word out about this tutorial. It's an insane guide for the 2023 users. And I love it. With my TutuApp VIP, I can actually get anything. So I got like Subway Surfers mod with this. Some pretty cool stuff, you know, Bitcoin mod. I'll show you some of my mods on here that I got with the TutuApp VIP. So first up is the Subway Surfers mod. I did download this using TutuApp VIP. Basically, it gives you unlimited money that is never going to go away. So I can actually spend as much money as I want in Subway Surfers, and I'm not going to lose that money. So I think I got like 600K right now, and that's actually just frozen money. So let me just show you guys what I'm talking about right here. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load, and you guys will see that I'm actually like, it's pretty ridiculous. As you can see right there, I have 600K or whatever, so it's pretty cool, and I hope you guys try this out. I've also got the Helix jump thing. I guess I'll show you guys that as well. So what this is you actually get basically like to level 1,000 for free, which is pretty cool. So I'm just going to show you guys that right here. So let me just show you. As you can see, I'm on like level 1,400, but I didn't actually play that much. So that's pretty cool. I really like this. So definitely try it out.